Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Thanks so much for tuning in today. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the final album in Volume 3 in our Magical Land album set. It's a 3-volume set. It will be, we'll be doing pre-orders on March 1st and in my shop, so I'll put the link below. And we're shooting for May 2021 to have these kits done. However, depending how long it takes us to cut everything, there's just so much to cut for these books. So we're shooting for May, but like I said, it may get pushed back a little bit. It just depends. But I will definitely be keeping everybody posted on my Facebook page. And of course, if you pre-order, I will keep you posted there as well. So definitely follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I will be posting when pre-orders go up. But again, that is going to be on March 1st in my Etsy shop. So let's go ahead and jump in. So first off, I just want to do a shout out to Kathy King. These albums follow her tutorial for her basic Signature Stories basic tutorial. I've added a few pockets and a few little changes here and there, but for the most part, that's what gave me this the inspiration to create these beautiful books. They are approximately a 10 by 10 size. The pages are 9.5 by 9.5. Each album has one hinge unit. I do have a video tutorial on my YouTube channel for creating that hinge, for covering the album, creating the hinge, inside cover project. I have a few different ones on there right now, just to kind of help you go step by step through that process. But when you do pick up the kit, you will have full color step-by-step instructions included as well. And I'm always happy to help. If you need additional assistance along the way, feel free to message me and I'm happy to help you there. All right, so another shout out to Miss Kate Cuttables. This is from one of her cuts, this beautiful castle. I'm using a beautiful silver glitter paper by Ella and Viv. It is my favorite brand of glitter paper to cut on the Cricut because it just cuts like butter. I wish they would make more colors, but what they do have is gorgeous. So we have a cover pocket here. You can fit an 8x8 photo in below. This is the spine. All 3 spines are done the same, so they sit side by side on your shelf. Really beautiful, and the back is the same as well. The only difference with each book is the pocket image. Okay, so we're going to open it up. Now, on this one, I chose to leave all my photo mats in here just to kind of show you how it looks as you go. Mine is nice and thick now. Photo mats are not included in your kit. Again, if you've watched Volume 1 and Volume 2 walkthroughs, I explained that is fully customizable to the size of the photos that you need. So I recommend, if you need extra black cardstock, pick up a bulk pack in my shop when you get one of these kits, and that will give you a lot of 25 sheets of cardstock to go through. You may need more. I don't know. It depends the sizing that you want to create. But you can fit 8x8 photos and below. Here's a nice large pocket, gusseted pocket. So it's 1/8 of an inch deep. So it'll house quite a few photos and memorabilia, park maps, tickets, whatever you want to put in there. And so on here, we are now in New Orleans Square. So if you haven't watched the first and second videos, please go do that. I'll put the links below. It'll explain more about these albums, but basically we're taking you through the whole park. So we started on Main Street and Fantasyland for Volume 1, and then Volume 2, we continued through Fantasyland, got into Frontierland and Adventureland, and now with Volume 3, we are starting in New Orleans Square. So we are here at the Pirates of the Caribbean, and these are just a few 4x6 photo mats I threw in there, but I'm going to pull out the photo mats so you can really see what it looks like before the photo mat. So this is an 8x8. On one side, I just did one large photo. So the white is just representing my photo. When I'm ready to go in, I'm going to pull off that white and put my photo there. But this is an 8x8. And then on the back, I thought, well, let's just do 4 small photos. So you can really house a lot of photos in this book, or all 3 books. So here you have the pirate ships. paper. And then on this side, we have the matching or coordinating skull and crossbones. Now, I don't know if I mentioned before, but in your kit, everything's going to be pre-cut for you. So all this decorative paper, all this solid paper to put these together is already measured and cut. You don't even have to worry about cutting something wrong. It's all there for you. It's going to be packaged for easy assembly, step-by-step instructions. Just, I want you to really enjoy putting this together. And you'll receive all of the paper piecings to put together as well. So we're going to open this up, and we've got the Mark Twain riverboat and the beautiful fireworks. So this one I'm kind of envisioning, what is it? Fantasia. So I thought that was really pretty. Of course, like I said it before in the other videos, you don't have to specifically have to have photos from that particular area or ride. Any pictures walking through New Orleans Square can fit in this section of your book. You don't have to necessarily have pictures of Pirates of the Caribbean or pictures of on the Mark Twain riverboat, just in the area. That's my vision for this album. Just, this is going to be a wonderful keepsake to pass down or to keep. Okay, so we have this adorable pirate Mickey. He's so cute. And here we have New Orleans Square and the Mardi Gras beads. The Haunted Mansion is over there as well. I'm just going to pull these out so you can really see the beautiful paper that's being used in here. Here's another idea. So this one I pulled out of this pocket, and I'll tell you the size. This photo mat measures 6 1/4 by 8 1/4. So you can do a 6 by 8 photo, or you can do 2 small photos. So these are 4 by 6 and 4 by 6. So then, yeah. Okay. So I did 2 smaller ones and a large. So I mean, that's what that spread looks like. Isn't that just gorgeous? I just love all the paper. We have about over 50 different paper piecings that come with these 3 and the 3 albums combined, and over 80 different decorative papers as well to go with each image. So we open this up, and now we're in Critter Country, one of my favorites. Here I've put a lot of photo mats. I used 8 by 8, 5 by 7, 4 by 6s. I did a couple of 5 by 7. No, just thick. Okay, and so we have this beautiful paper. Again, everything will be cut for you. Brer Rabbit. Photo mat. Now, I've glued mine down. Again, you don't have to put a photo mat here if you want to just continue to see. This is one beautiful piece of paper, and it's going to be cut in 2 parts because this is a pocket. So you're going to have to glue it down in 2 parts. So that'll already be cut for you. But you don't have to put a photo mat here. Again, that's not in your kit. That's just showing what I did. And of course, anything that overlaps the photo mat, since I don't have a photo on there yet, I made sure not to put any glue over the part where I'm going to slip a photo. So just a little tip there, if you're decorating yours and not putting photos in it just yet, just don't put glue where it's touching a photo. So now we're still in Critter Country, but this is Splash Mountain. Actually, it's all Splash Mountain, isn't it? So this opens up, and this isn't a pocket. You just put photos and memorabilia. They just sit right in there, and it closes up just like that. Okay, so that's how that one works. And we're still in Critter Country, but now we're over by the Winnie the Pooh ride. I could not do an album with the lands without Winnie the Pooh. Beautiful clear pocket with this bumblebee frame, super cute. Now on this part, you will have to take a fine tip black pen and just draw in those dashes. Originally, it was just going to be little holes that going all the way across, and when I did it, it didn't look right. So, but it's easy enough to draw those little dashes in there. Super cute. And we have Pooh and Piglet here holding hands. Adorable. And now we're into Toontown, the last part of our trip. We've got Goofy's gas station here. I'm going to pull these out so you can really get the full effect. We've got the fun Toontown mailbox. And then, of course, can't have Toontown without the Toontown sign and Mickey hand. It's pointing to go this way. And again, this is like Splash Mountain, except for here, I actually glued down a photo mat. Here, I glued down a photo mat here, and I glued one down here just to show you what you can do. Again, I will have all these measurements in the instructions as suggestions. But yeah, so I glued down a photo mat, but then can also place some others in there. And then, of course, we have the Roger Rabbit ride. So I just have the little car. She may or may not go on the Roger Rabbit ride, but thought it was kind of fun just to put the little car in there if you're in that area. Okay, and then the final page, of course, is Mickey and friends saying goodbye. So I thought this was just a perfect end for the whole set. You can slide some photos in here. Just like that. And this is clear, a clear pocket as well. So there's acetate in there. So all the acetate's already cut and pre-packaged for you. And then the final book is, or the final pocket in the inside back cover is See You Real Soon. And then, of course, you can put 8x8 photos and lower in there. So I just want to thank you so much for watching. So here's all 3 books. And if you haven't yet, please go back and watch the walkthroughs for volume 1. See, they don't all fit in the camera. So we have volume 1, Disney Days, volume 2, Home, and then volume 3, Magical Memories. And then, like I said, I can't fit this in the camera, but they would all just sit on your shelf like this, or you could lay them flat. I don't know if I can move my camera up. Maybe. Not really. But you get the idea. So thank you so much for watching and for staying to the end. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss any of the magic here at Katie's World. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram for updates on upcoming projects, as well as this one. Like I said, we will be doing pre-orders on March 1st, 2021, shooting for release date of May, but it may get pushed back a little bit. We'll see how long it takes us to actually get these done. So thank you so much again for watching. Have a great day.